So here we go again. Now we are gonna install in this video we're gonna install KivMob into our local system. So how you can do that either via pip or if you are using Pycharm, we will be discussing both. So let's first go to the pip method. So just open CMD in your desktop. Go to happens. Yeah. Go to okay. So let me see. CD app data and then cd local then direct close cd local then cd programs then wait 1 second, I will see what it is in this directory. So you can see a Python directory here on the fourth in the last place. So just move on to that cd python 3732. In this directory you will see a folder like scripts. Yes, this is the folder scripts. We need to head into this folder cd scripts, and when you enter the scripts folder just type pip install KivMob. Make sure you have internet access and it will take some time to install the KivMob in your local system. I have already installed that, so it is showing me requirement satisfied already. So it was not installed in my computer because I already installed it. So this is the way you can install on your local system. And if you're using Pycharm, let me open the Pycharm for you. So Pycharm is open now. So just go to the file and go to the settings. In the settings, you just go to the project, your project and your project interpreter. And here you just can see the plus sign. Here is on Pycharm. Just type KivMob and here it will appear. I have already installed it. If you haven't installed, you see a install package button. So click on it and install. I have already installed my system. As you can see here it is in my system. So that was the video. Thanks for watching.